Hey everybody, GoPro has released a new action cam, the new GoPro Hero. In this video I would like to show briefly what this camera can do and make a comparison to the Hero 6. Since this is also about the difference between 4K and 1080p, as well as different frame rates, the usual question arises whether one could basically do without 4K and higher frame rates. Since only everyone can answer this question for himself, I will show an edit at the end which contains a comparison between different resolutions and frame rates. So have fun! The new GoPro Hero is an entry-level model. It can probably be seen as GoPro's attempt to secure certain market shares in the low price segment. In fact, there are now several manufacturers who already offer action cams at very reasonable prices. The official price for the new Hero is $199. The Hero 6 currently costs $399 for comparison. The GoPro Session is also $199 but has a smaller body and no LCD display. The Hero 5 is still on sale and costs $299. The new GoPro Hero has exactly the same body as the GoPro Hero 6 and the Hero 5. The display on the back is very bright and works very well, and the camera is waterproof up to 10 meters without any additional housing. The high quality housing and the good LCD display are certainly among the strengths of GoPro. So what are the key differences between the new GoPro Hero and the Hero 6? The GoPro Hero has a 10 megapixel sensor and in video mode a maximum resolution of 1080p or 1440, while the Hero 6 has a 12 megapixel sensor and can record in 4K. I would like to remind you that the 1440 video still needs to be cropped to achieve the typical 60:9 ratio. 1080p, the maximum frame rate of the new Hero, is 60 frames per second. The Hero 6 can record at 120 frames per second in 1080p and 240 frames per second in HEVC mode. Both cameras have electronic image stabilization, whereby the image stabilization of the Hero 6 is called advanced and is probably clearly superior to the new Hero. The new GoPro also does not support Protein for advanced settings. It has no GPS, no touch to zoom, no exposure control, no HDR for photos, a slower Wi-Fi, and it supports neither camera grip nor camera drone. This is therefore a significantly reduced version of a GoPro with not only a smaller sensor but also a slower chip, since the GP1 from GoPro is only included in the Hero 6. It is therefore clear that the new GoPro is hardly interesting if you already own a Hero 6 or Hero 5. But if you are looking for a cheaper entry into the world of GoPro, you should ask yourself if a resolution of 1080p and a frame rate of 60 frames per second are sufficient for you. The Hero 5 costs $100 more but has 4K, Protein, GPS and supports the Karma system. I will show you an edit that includes a comparison of 4K and 1080p recordings and different frame rates. You will see that there is still enough snow here in the Alps at the end of March. I hope the video was interesting for you. If I get my hands on the new GoPro, I will certainly make a comparison of the image quality. You support my channel with a like and see you soon with a new tutorial.